Today's video is all about how to freeze chili. I have an amazing all meat and veggie chili recipe on my websites inside of the Family Kickstart program, which is our clean eating program for families. And well, it is so good that most of us just double or triple the batch. One thing I love about making this chili, maybe over the weekend, is that I can have leftovers for a different night, a busy weeknight. So today I'm gonna show you how I freeze chili for my family and in single serve portions, which is perfect for a quick and easy lunch. Now, my chili has already been cooled down to room temperature and it's ready to be packed in a freezer safe bag. Now you can also, of course, freeze it inside of a container. Now today I'm gonna show you the freezer bag method because it's one that you've been asking for, and two, it doesn't take as much room in your freezer. Now, one really important thing to do is to make sure you label the bags before you fill them. I like to include the name of the recipe, so my chili, maybe the date that it was made, how many servings it has, and any reheating instructions if needed. Now that the bag is filled, I'm gonna place it in a baking sheet and into the freezer. The baking sheet is gonna help freeze it flat, so it's really easy to store. Once your chili is frozen, you can remove it from the baking sheet and just store it in the freezer for up to 2 months. Obviously, you're not going to take it out of the freezer and put it directly in the microwave. You're not only gonna have a chili disaster in there, but your bag will more than likely melt as well. So there are a couple of ways to thaw out the chili. You're gonna take it out of the freezer the day before and simply defrost it in the refrigerator overnight. Or you can transfer the frozen chili into a large soup pot, add about a cup of water. You're gonna cover it and heat it to bring it to a boil over medium heat. You're gonna stir it frequently and then you can serve it. Now this epic all meat and veggie chili recipe is one that you really wanna try, and it's perfect for this method. I also linked it in the description box below. Like I said, that chili has no beans, it's just lean beef or turkey if you wanna use that, and veggies, which add a lot of bulk and taste, all of the flavor and the spices and the tomatoes. And with millions of page views and thousands of comments, you too will see, well, it will become the best chili you'll ever have. And by the way, it can be made in the stovetop or in the slow cooker. Recipes for both of those right below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment below. Of course, while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. A new recipe comes out every single week. See you next week.